All right, here's a live look at that Valley Skycam showing typical workday traffic on this evening. It is still a little slippery on area sidewalks and roadways. Temperatures today actually melting a little bit of snow, and currently out at Hector, it's still 32 degrees. Wind from the north-northwest at 9. That northerly wind is going to usher in a little bit cooler air as we head through the next 24 hours. Right now, Moorhead 34 at your airport as we have melted a little bit of that snow that was really compacted by the recent rainfall. 25 in Cavalier and Langdon, 24 in Grand Forks. So those north winds tugging down some cooler air for our northern towns. It does look like along and south of I-94 and Highway 10, we have temperatures still hovering in those low 30s, and how about mid 30s in Jamestown, still 34 degrees there. Here's some clear skies punching in from the north, but we're watching this activity out to the west. Moving out of Alberta, Canada. It's a little Alberta clipper here. It's punching in towards Glasgow now and heading in our general direction. So here's your hour-by-hour forecast planner for this evening. There'll be very little impact. Temperatures are going to be steady to slowly falling here in the Southern Valley. But up north, you'll see temperatures sneak down into the teens thanks to that clear slot up there. But here is a look at some low clouds that will be building in during the overnight hours as we head to bed. And by daybreak, a batch of snow will move through the Bismarck area and pass into southeast North Dakota. So our western counties will have some accumulation for the drive. Up north, no snow, but it'll be cooler to start your day there. 10 degrees or so, a little cooler in northwest Minnesota. Low clouds and snow. The Fargo area, yes, we could see some flakes, but the more accumulating snowfall looks to be just to our south as we take a look. It lasts into the midday hour as it slowly exits to the south and southeast. Temperatures tomorrow will be in the 20s for most of us as opposed to 30s today. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, and we'll see some teens up in northwest Minnesota with northwest winds that will cause some of that snow to blow and to drift. So I expect southeast North Dakota for the morning commute through midday to have a little bit of blowing and drifting. Now, how much snow are we talking about? Well, let's take a look at this as we head into the afternoon tomorrow. By afternoon, the snow will be exiting. Most up north will have a trace to very little. Along Interstate 94, we'll have pretty widespread areas with an inch to maybe as much as 3 inches in our far southernmost counties. Isolated 3+ will be a possibility out there. So nuisance snow compared to what we just received, but it will also coat those roads with a new layer of slippery. So be cautious out there. Temperatures will be, to start your day, near 20 degrees. Will rise only into the mid to upper 20s briefly for the afternoon. Our snow chances in Fargo should end by around 11 to noon, and after that we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day with that northwest wind pretty brisk at 15 to 25 miles per hour, keeping it feeling wind chilly. Thermometer readings as you're heading home from work and school will be in the mid-20s for most across eastern North Dakota. And then in western Minnesota, we'll see some teens up there, particularly in the far northwestern corner as we go through the afternoon. A beautiful snowy scene here. Helen, thank you for uploading your Shevlin photo. In Minnesota, those trees weighted down by that heavy, wet snow. All right, let's take a look. Closing out Friday with that shot of snow in the morning. Saturday looks quiet. Temperatures, though, cool. 10 in the morning, 20 or so for your afternoon high. As we look at the weekend now, Sunday we warm up. South winds punch temperatures back to where we were today with a slight chance of light snow again as we warm up. After that, we're on our way to some Arctic chill. Cooler temperatures with light snow in the forecast Monday through Wednesday. Wednesday morning, Mike, looks pretty tough. 12 below. This will be a short-lived dance with cold and Arctic air. Wednesday morning will be the coldest if you want to dance. It looks very cold the following weekend, so maybe a great idea would be to head to Frisco the following weekend and cheer on some bison because it's going to get mighty, mighty cold around here into the following weekend.
All right, thanks so much.
You bet.